How to verify your Hostinger Builder website in Google Search Console. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to have your Hostinger website verified on a Google Search Console. So the process is going to be very simple. You're going to head over the H panel, and also you're going to head in the meantime or the same time on the Google Search Console. Click on Start Now, and then you're going to see normally here the website or the Google Search Console dashboard. Now, what can we do is go ahead to the Add a Property button, and we're going to put either a domain or a URL prefix. So we are going basically here to have the domain because we have bought a domain from Namecheap, or you can go ahead and buy a domain from Hostinger. But here you are going to make sure that you have the domain only or a subdomain. For example, if you're going to check here the website that we have here, this one, is going to be the domain itself and not a subdomain. So we are going to put it under the domain. If you're going to have a URL prefix, you're going to have it something like this. This is a prefix. So we are going to copy this and paste it in here. But for our case, we are going to copy this link and make sure that we are going to paste it in here. Click on continue, and then you're going to verify your ownership. In my specific ownership in here is going to be done because I have verified it already. We're going to add another one, which is going to be this one. I'm going to have it like this. So basically, I'm going to put it in here. So we are going to click on continue, and then this is already done. So we're going to add another one. So here, as you can see, we are going to have some methods that we can verify our ownership for the website. I have put another website, which is, or another link, which is this one. We can go ahead and download the file and upload it to this specific area, or we can use other methods like HTML tags, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and etc. Here, I'm going to use the HTML tag. I can go ahead and copy this specific one. As you can see, this meta name, as you can see, copy it. And then we can have it in here, put on the website builder as a code. Or we can have the domain name provider so we can associate a DNS record with Google. So basically, you can go ahead and use any DNS provider like that. You're going to have here a text or a record text as like this. And then you're going to copy the text, this DNS, like this one. You're going to have this one. So I'm going to simplify the process. You're going to head over your Hostinger website. Then you're going to have your website managed. So we are going to see the dashboard of the website. We can go ahead and head over the domains. We're going to click on the domains portfolio, and we can go ahead and edit the DNS. For example, in this one, we have the DNS and the name servers. We are going to have here a text recommended type. So we are going to click on type. We're going to put txt or text. The name of it is going to be here. So we are going to put the name. We have the name and the value. So right there, we're going to sign in here, put the copied text into this one. So we are going to put the value in like that. And then we are going to add the record. And when you are going to add the record, wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the thing is going to be okay. And then you are going to click on verify. It will take a little bit here to verify, and then you're going to have it in your way. Normally, at the end of the operation, you're going to see the ownership auto verified, and then this is the process to verify it on Google Search Console. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.